I think one of the most important things about Malta that we've learned over the past few days is not the warmth of the sunshine but the warmth of the people.
Dan l-ewwel kumment ta' Sean Clifford meta tlabnieh l-ewwel ħsibijiet tiegħu dwar Malta. Sean huwa r-raġel ta' Valerie u l-missier ta' ċkejkna Enya li flimkien qed iduru d-dinja u jwasslu l-messaġġ tagħhom permezz ta' travel series online li semmewha TheKidTrotter. Wara esperjenza indimentikabli fl-Asja kien imiss l-Ewropa u Malta huwa l-ewwel pajjiż li jażlu biex jibdew dan il-vjaġġ. Hekk kif iklim Sean, Malti hija destinazzjoni unika fil-Mediterran. Għal pajjiżna ddedikaw 10 ijiem u tkellimna magħhom meta kienu waslu f'nofs l-avventura.
We wanted a country with a very big history, long history, and Malta has it all for that. And the architecture is very nice, and the culture also is very mixed with your past. It's mixed between the European civilization and the Arab civilization. So for us, it's very rich. For the TheKidTrotter, it's very interesting to discover your culture.
Fl-ivvjaġġar, il-familja Clifford tmur lil mill-attrazzjonijiet turistiċi. Anzi, l-koppja saħqet li lan tagħhom u li jagħtu toma tal-kultura tal-pajjiż billi jitkellmu man-nies tal-lokal. Sean huwa Irlandiż u Valerie Franċiża u ltaqgħu meta kienu għadhom żgħar ħafna, it-tnejn bl-istess ħolma illi jduru id-dinja. Ilhom iduru minn pajjiż għal ieħor għal dawn l-aħħar 20 sena u meta ddeċidew li jibdew familja ma qatgħux qalbhom.
I'd say it's a great experience. Before we were traveling on our own, and we thought it would be very difficult to travel with a child and very complicated, but it's the total opposite because the children, they actually adapt much quicker than we do, and also it opens a lot of doors because then you get to meet parents, you get to meet other children as well, and so you get deeper into the culture because you have kids.
Meta jkunu l-bot minn darhom jikru l-post u jwaqfu spejjeż żejda bħall-assigurazzjoni tal-karozza li ma jkunux qed jużaw. Iżda iktar milli-destinazzjoni jispikkaw in-nies.
More than the actual destination, it's the meeting of the people. Like we're across the bay there 2 days ago, and we're just scooting around the little roads, and we're invited in by a little old lady to drink your national drink, a kinny.
U bġirja bl-scooter f'kull pajjiż li jmorru tkun is-simbolu tagħhom, il-koppja Clifford ġabret dak kollu li esperjenzat fl-aħħar 20 sena f'għaxar kelmiet.
Very short, I'd say get out of your comfort zone. The life is outside and the adventure is everywhere in the world.